Coconut oil or castor oil, which one actually grows hair faster? You have probably heard both are amazing, but is one really better? Stick around because today we're breaking down the truth about these two powerful oils for hair growth. Make sure to watch till the end for a DIY hair growth hack using both oils. Let's dive in. The benefits, what do these oils really do? First, let's talk about what makes these oils so special. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, prevents protein loss, reducing breakage, fights dandruff and scalp infections. Great for dry, frizzy, or damaged hair. Sounds amazing, right? But what about castor oil? Castor oil boosts circulation to hair follicles, rich in ricinoleic acid, which promotes hair growth. Helps with scalp inflammation and dandruff, best for thinning hair and regrowth. So, which one should you use? Keep watching. Which oil is better for hair growth? Here's the deal. Both oils are powerful, but they work differently. If your hair is weak, dry, or prone to breakage, coconut oil is your best bet. If your goal is thicker, stronger hair growth, castor oil wins. But wait, what if you could use both? DIY hair growth remedy using both oils. Want a supercharged hair growth treatment? Try this easy DIY oil blend. You'll need 2 TS coconut oil, 1 TS castor oil, 3 to 4 drops rosemary essential oil, optional for extra growth. How to use: mix the oils and warm, slightly massage into your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave it on for at least 1 to 2 hours. Wash with a mild shampoo and repeat 2 to 3 times a week. So, which oil do you think is better? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home remedies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.